100 matches challenge. How fast can I light 100 matches one by one? Let's go. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, come on, 37, 38, 39, come on, 39, 40, shit, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, oh, I felt that, 59, 60, felt that in my mouth, 61, 62, what? 63, come on, 64, shit, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, come on, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Stop. Wow, look at this. Some bloody fire. God damn, that shit was on fire. Alright, be careful doing that at home. You don't want to hurt yourself. Oh, open the door. Yeah, be careful doing that at home. You don't want to hurt yourself. Well, I'm not sure the time, but we'll find the time soon. Whew. Yeah, be careful doing that at home. Don't try this at home. Be safe when trying it if you do. Timer, I'm not sure, we'll check it. But yeah, I'm Sachthemotive, letting motivate you. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.